everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to add number of months to date in Google Sheet with formula. To add a number of months to date, the following simple formula can help you. Select a blank cell where you want to locate the result and enter the following formula. Type edate. It returns a date, a specified number of months before or after another date. For the start date, select cell E2, which is the date cell you want to add months, comma. For the months, select cell B2, which is the number of months you want to add to the date. Close the bracket, press enter, and drag the fill handle down to the cells you want to fill this formula. And all dates have been added the given number of months, as you can see. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.